Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Guard your gaze from that you may witness. Punishment is for purification. Most will not distinguish between leaders, organization, and religion. True class is more how you treat your family and other duties. The best of personalities can't invent true religion. Devotion outweighs all sin. Places good for austerities will have places that are better than others. We should figure out how to please divinity rather than try to justify our position based on material reactions. The different activities of the forms manifests the different divine qualities. Some are kingdoms unto themselves, like that thing about Abraham being a nation unto himself, right? The correct path is a mode to not return from. Generations may leave the examples for future generations are the newer recruits. Renunciation is not a costume. The variety of creation was intentional. Leaders are responsible for their influence. Don't hasten to curse. Relationship to Scripture is more important in rank than family and age. Some hymns are secret. Directions, herbs, and identification with parts of the body complete the rituals and their effects. Seek protection, use direction, and use the variety of names. Multi-head means of different purposes. Demons will likewise take on forms that convey meaning and purpose. Divinity is known by many forms and many beings. Too many to mention. Creation is post-deity. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, all attractive, all pleasurable. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yellow, blue, red. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.